Hello everyone, this is Group 11 and our software application is called We Can Talk. And my name is Xavier. I am the project manager for this application.
Okay, I guess I can go next. I am Kevin. I am the full stack software engineer for this project.
Hi everyone, my name is Ivan. I'm a designer of this project. And then next. Steven.
Oh,
So, okay.
hello everyone. My name is Stefan, and I'm the quality assurance engineer.
Hi everyone, my name is Bastian. I'm software architect in this project.
Hi guys, Colin. I'm a database analyzer.
Alright, so we have these we have these 10 roles here. They're the different users that we go in depth in this application. So the first we have is the guest user, and the guest user will just be able to browse the public chat rooms and see what is available, but they're not going to be able to post or anything without registering. So we also have some test cases for the guest user, which is to be able to browse through the public chat rooms. So yeah, and we also have a read-only user. So they will be able to read the messages in the chat room. So they'll have a little bit more control than a guest user, but they wouldn't be able to type anything or send messages. So we had a test case for that would be to join the chat room without registering, and to just and to read the messages. And they should be able to read the messages as the read-only user, a user role. Registered user?
Is that? Can I go? Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. So the registered user, as a registered user, I want to send and receive messages so that I can communicate with other users in the platform. I want to create a profile so that others can know more about me, like a social media or something. We have some tests for this user story. Send and receive messages in a chat room and create the profile page is one of them. And the expected outcome is the message should be sent and displayed in the chat room. And the second one is allow others to check my profile or the profile.
Hello. So as the premium user, I want to access premium customized themes. Also, there's two test cases. So for the first, there's one test. The user accesses a premium chat room with customized backgrounds, and the expected outcome should be able to join and interact in the premium chat room.
Next, chat room creator. Next.
Me?
I don't know whoever's next.
Just take a row.
As a chat room creator, I can create a new chat rooms so that I can engage with users on a specific topic. In the test CRUD and create a chat room. Expected outcome is chat room should be created and visible to others. And as a chat room member, I can join different chat rooms so that I can interact with different communities. And the test is join the chat room. Expect outcome. System should promote correct names of the member in chat room.
Okay, next we have chat room member.
As an admin user, I want to make college announcements so that I can keep the community updated. For the test case, create or fetch college announcement, and the expected outcome is the announcement should be sent and visible to all users.
So for me is that I pretend to be a support staff I want to refill and respond to user tickets so that I can help resolve their issues. So it's kind of like to test a refill user ticket and provide response. So it's a sub role of the administrator, and also like the J one is the chat room moderator. So it can manage chat rooms to ensure that conversations stay on topic and follow the rules. So the testing is like it's someone just like the chat room member break the rules, a moderator can mail it. So the expect outcome is like the mail chat room member should be unable to type or input any text. So that's it.
Okay,
Yeah, so
then
these are all of the users, the different type of users we have in our application. So we also have I have all these user stories put into Jira, which I am using to manage the project. I also have estimated story points for all of the dev tickets to estimate the complexity. So we used the we did the planning poker, and we estimated story points from a 2 to a 8. So 2, let's say, for a simple config change, and 8 would be a module that communicates to like different APIs, servlets, databases, and that kind of stuff. If our team feels that we need to estimate something higher than an 8, that ticket would be best split into a few subtasks, as it is too big to handle as a single developer task. So we have a few user stories here written out in depth. So we have the first one here as a standard user registration. And we have the registration process and the acceptance tests for QA written out already here. So we have done the same for guest user, the admin user, the admin user. How come the story points aren't sticking? So the guest user. Yeah, guest user would be a simpler task. We just estimate it as a 3 because the guest user doesn't need to be logged in. So that's the that's the only difference between the guest user and the other users, which are all registered. And for registered user, we also have our what the registered user should be able to do, and the tests to test the functionality for QA. And we also estimated the registered user for any user that requires to go through the authentication process. We have currently estimated that as 5. And the main part of the application, which we might need to split into different subtasks, is the messaging portion of it. Currently estimated as an 8, might have to split it into a few different subtasks depending on complexities that might arise during development. So we have a few basic parameters for message sending, receiving, how the application would display the message, and how it manages notifications. Might have to change the test cases during development, but it's like an initial rundown of the user stories. And then we also have the homepage here, which is our login registration page. And this would just be the main splash page of the application that will have the different chat rooms that the guest user can see, and like the somewhere on the top where you can log in and register. We currently estimate that as a 3. Shouldn't be too complicated, just a splash page to display some information and to house the registration buttons. Anything else you guys want to add?
Yeah, I want to add the figure 1, the share document. And there's a diagram we can talk about it.
This one?
Because
Yeah.
like we have, it's just like we have a homepage for the first square.
Yeah.
We draw it, and then like what it's for is like the homepage that we mentioned just now is like login, or just like announcement for the administrator, and after that we have like a guest user, just like the homepage we can get into. Because like guest user is just like a read-only user. They are anonymous or just like visitor. And then if someone just registered it, then it will go to the registered user. And also like it will go to the administrator user. That's the first square that just like different 3 rows.
Yeah.
And then after the registered user, it will just like subdivide to like what a registered user supposed to have, like a contact page, a chat room creator, or a chat room member, and also like it can be like premium user, subscriber, and then you will have different backgrounds, something like. So for administrator, it can go to like the contact referrer and also like chat room moderator. Just like if any chat room member just like break the rules, it can mail it, it can just like kick him out from the chat room, something like. And finally, just like all the roles you get, just like every role can have a role of the chat room list and then get into the chat room, something like this. This is the diagram of the prototype. I'm done with it. Any extra stuff you guys want to add?
I think that concludes user stories.